Today we're going to replace the stock tail lights on this 2014 GMC Canyon with these LED aftermarket ones. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to get this done. And let's go ahead and take these two screws off. Make sure you don't drop them. You might need both hands. Then just pull the light assembly out like so. Alright, it looks like this lead is going inside, so let's go ahead and go inside, underneath the truck, and undo this pigtail. And there it is. So let's go ahead and undo that pigtail. And since we're down here, we'll go ahead and undo the other side. Alright, I cleaned up the pigtail, and it has a little safety latch, so go ahead and grab a flathead, and let's go ahead and pop that sucker out. Okay, and there it is. I actually broke it. I had to break it from here to loosen it up. Let's go ahead and take out the pigtail from there. Got perfectly good light bulbs there. Now let's go ahead and remove this one from this side. Again, Phillips. Might need both hands. And I already have this one loosened. So out it comes. This one too, I damaged. It's okay. We don't need those pigtails any longer. We'll remove this for the light bulbs. Alright, there it is, brand new pigtail. So let's go ahead and slip these suckers through, put them on there, and we'll wire them up at the end. And as always, not an exact fit. It looks like these will have to be removed. I had to remove them to fit this one. What I'm doing is I'm leaving one and removing one because it didn't line up. Now it lines up. And let's go ahead and clip it into place. There it is. Alright, now we'll secure it with the two screws right on the side. Alright, there it is. Let's go ahead and just wire them up now. And all we're going to do is connect the pigtails together. Alright, and just do the other side. Alright, and there it is, and you're set. Alright, and there it is. There's the brakes, and well, the lights are on. The blinkers, then these are the reverse. But there it is. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.